Greetings everyone, I'm Yaku J. Freak du Plessis, your awesome host and content creator at the Tech Update. For those unfamiliar, I'm a South African content creator who embarked on this journey about 6 months ago. Besides creating content, I take pride in being a husband to an awesome wife and a dad to a son who wants to be a YouTuber as well. To assist him in his endeavors, I decided to learn the ropes myself. My background includes creating videos for our church youth group and casual video editing for friends and family over the past 2 decades. I also have roughly 14 years experience as a services supervisor and technician in a major tech retailer in South Africa, so I've amassed considerable experience in the tech domain. Tech, especially PCs, holds a special place in my heart, and I find joy in assembling and building new computers. I also love researching and comparing devices, whether it's for upgrading my cellular plan or to find the best hardware at the best price for my next PC upgrade. I genuinely enjoy the process. These factors significantly influenced my decision to start this channel, and the learning curve has been quite remarkable to say the least. Over the last 2 months there has been slow but steady growth, and I genuinely appreciate every like and subscriber. Your support has been a driving force, keeping me motivated even when progress seems slow. In regards to the content on the channel, observing the rise of handheld gaming in the market and advancements in VR and AI has been fascinating. While I look forward to doing hands-on reviews of devices, the channel is currently too small to attract test devices from companies. I believe we will get there one day though, but until then, I rely on my passion for research and tech. My reviews will be a compilation of the top 5 tech reviewers' findings, enriched with my comments and research, aiming to provide viewers with concise and comprehensive summaries on the facts and findings on any device. I have nothing but respect for the YouTube legends who do these reviews, and I'll be sharing links to my source material in the description of my videos. I encourage you to explore their channels for in-depth insights and show them some support by subscribing. Additionally, I'll be producing how-to content to address common queries and help you figure out how to use software or services and solve problems. And there will definitely be lots of dad jokes and free desktop background giveaways in my future content for those who like those. That's it for today's video. It is intentionally short and sweet to make it easy to watch. Feel free to comment with suggestions for specific devices you'd like me to review in the future. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one.